All right, today we're gonna bring a catwalk, and this is pretty much like a gym built for your cat. So you are gonna need the infrastructure for this. You are gonna need a large wall, but today I'm actually gonna build it on something that's mobile because we like to take it out in and out. And this does take a lot of space. And if you love cats, you're gonna love this. So this has different abilities. It comes with the instructions, and of course, the screws along with it in the bag. And of course, to give you indication of how it's gonna look or how you want to build. So we're gonna put this together and see how well it works. So let's go ahead and do that. So Chito, how do you like your new playground? Looks like he likes it. So cats like to be in the higher ground, so I always put the best site on the top, and he's way up there. So let me explain to you guys. We put the bed in here, one step here, another one here, scratch posts right here, so you can scratch it, another scratch post here, and then a bench so you could get up there to the highest ground. And then you got the little swing going down. I kind of elevate it higher. You could put it as you please. Now I put this whole thing for him different ways. We could readjust it however you want, but these are all the pieces that are included, including with that footstep first, a bedding here, and then it goes higher in the scratching post. You could arrange it however you want, however you please. Very simple to use and to install. I use my own screws on this one, and I actually built this just for this guy because I'm going to move it into different locations. It's taking other places, so I put it on wheels too. My actually cat playground is on wheels, so it looks like he likes it. He's up there, he's high, and he approves it. Putting together, it took me about an hour to put it together. Assembling doesn't require any instructions. It's self-assemble. You can assemble it very simple. They give you the Allen wrench or the screws that's necessary. Extra L's here for the infrastructure hold up. So there's a couple of left, but I don't need them all. I actually used enough for him. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.